Hi guys, I'm Miss Allison and welcome to 8th grade English at PSD Virtual. I am so excited that you are here. Thank you so much for taking the time today. And I just wanted you to be able to get to know me a little bit better. So I want to share a few things and then we'll get rocking and rolling here. All right. So first thing is on the bottom of this slide, you can see my contact information. The best way to reach me right now is email. So if you need anything, you're stuck, you're lost, you're confused, please email me using that email address right there. It's also linked on my learning page and we'll get you what you need. All right. Awesome. So here are just some pictures of me that we'll kind of talk about here in a moment. All right. And just some fun facts about me. First is I'm a Colorado native. So I was born and raised in Littleton, Colorado, and I've bounced up and down the Front Range here a little bit, but absolutely consider Colorado my forever home. I think it's just a wonderful place and never want to leave it. I am a triplet, so I have a brother and a sister who happened to be born at the same exact time that I was. They also live in Colorado, not too far, so we are still very close and get to see each other a lot, which is great. Some things I enjoy. I love reading, was able to do a whole lot of that this summer. Cooking, I've been really into cooking lately, trying out some new recipes. Musical theater is one of my biggest passions, and now that theaters are closed right now, it was amazing to have Hamilton come out on Disney Plus. That was the highlight of my summer, absolutely. And then I love just any outdoors activities, so running, being outdoors, hiking, all of those things, just enjoying our beautiful Colorado scenery. This is my 8th year of teaching, so for the past seven years I've taught middle school English at different grade levels. Super excited for year 8. And though this is a little controversial, I know we're in Ram country, I am a very proud UNC Bear. I actually went twice to UNC. So for my undergrad, I got my degree in English and secondary education, and then a few years later went back for my master's degree in educational psychology. I just really wanted to know how and why people learn and how do they learn best, so was able to learn that in my master's program. All right, so we're going to play a quick little game to get to know me a little bit better. So on this slide, there are 3 statements. 2 of them are 100% true about me. 1 of them is 100% false. So I want you to think to yourself for a second which one you think is not true. First one says, I have broken my arm twice. Second one says, I love seafood. And third one says, I have met several celebrities. So I'm going to give you just a second to think about it. Okay. All right. Drum roll, please. Let's see here. Did you get it right? The statement that is absolutely 100% not true about me is I love seafood. Guys, I have tried so much to enjoy seafood. I don't know why I don't have a taste for it. So yeah, that's something that's kind of weird about me. But if you have any recipes I could try or like ways that I could enjoy it, please send them my way because I don't know what it is. I don't have a taste for it. I have broken my arm twice. That's true. When I was 6 years old, I broke my arm like the day after summer started, which made for a very long summer as a 6-year-old. And then the other one that's true is I've met several celebrities. I worked at a restaurant in high school and a couple different either local celebrities or like actual celebrities came in too. So Neil Flynn came in. He is the dad on that show, The Middle, if you've ever seen that. That was pretty cool. We got to meet him. And then, like I said, some local celebrities, so some different newscasters and people from the radio you might recognize often came into the restaurant where I worked, which was pretty cool. All right, so the last thing I want you guys to know is my teaching style. So kind of what is class going to look like? I know there's some nerves around maybe this virtual environment, but I want you guys to know that this is going to be a fantastic year and honestly not much different from what we would usually be doing in the classroom. So some things that are important to me. First, I'm very collaborative. It's important to me that we can work together, use our strengths and ideas to grow together. So we'll be doing that, and there's some actually really cool and exciting ways that we can do that virtually. Focus on community. I want you guys to know who I am. I really want to know who you are, and I want us all to know who each other is as well. I think it's really important to have a very safe learning space, so we'll definitely spend a lot of time building that together over the next few weeks. Focus on growth. So we'll also spend a lot of time in the first couple weeks making sure we know where we are as readers and writers, and then setting some goals for ourselves for the year on how we want to grow and what skills we want to continue to either get or improve on. And with that comes a focus on celebrations. As you are meeting those goals, as you are developing those skills or learning new things, we're definitely going to stop and celebrate what you have going on. So be ready for that. I have a huge focus on feedback. I think that's really important that you can be able to see your work in a different way. So I will be giving you a ton of feedback, and you will also be giving each other feedback. That helps us grow as well. So we'll be doing a lot around feedback this year. I like to use what are called metacognitive strategies, and that's what I studied in my master's. So it's basically thinking about our own thinking. How did that go well for you? How did that not go well for you? How did you learn that so quickly? What's stopping you from learning this thing? So we'll talk about those strategies as we go. And then finally, high structure and high support. This is all about you in your 8th grade year, which is just such a big year in your life. And I want to make sure you have everything you need to be 100% successful in that. And we're going to have a lot of fun along the way, of course. But I want to make sure that you have what you need. So you will always have my support. We'll have a lot of structures in there where you can be getting different things from different people. But please know that I will support you in all that you do 100%. And we're going to have a wonderful time together. So guys, thanks for taking a few minutes to get to know me a little bit better. I am so excited to get to know you over these next couple weeks. And let me know if you need anything. Thank you.